Today's Rezzipe will focus on using the tuner to treat a horse's back, chest, and abdomen. Before you start, use the tuner on yourself to show the horse it's safe. There might be some places that make the horse jumpy when you touch it. If this happens, hold the tuner lightly to that area until the horse calms down and the area moves freely. Use caution for horses that are sensitive to their face, hooves, or tail being touched. Let's get started with step 1. Let's begin by attaching the accessory tongs to your Rezzimax Tuner. Set the tuner to a low level by hitting the power button once. With a light amount of pressure, place the tongs on the base of the neck with the tuner resting on the spine. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Step 2. Set the tuner to a low level by hitting the power button once. Now let's use a moderate amount of pressure and place the tongs centered on the upper pectoral muscles and the tuner resting on the chest for 1 minute. Go ahead and move the tongs down to the lower pectorals for another minute. Step 3. For this step, go ahead and remove the tongs. Set the tuner to a low level by hitting the power button once. You can also use blue mode for this step by then hitting the center button once. Let's use the tuner wing to scrape with a moderate amount of pressure, starting with the shoulders. Take about 3 to 5 minutes to scrape along the shoulders, back, sides, chest, and abdomen. You can increase all the way up to a deep amount of pressure as long as you get no complaints from your horse. If your horse suffers from swayback or lordosis Oregon, it seems that its back is particularly painful. Take 1 or 2 minutes to give it a good back and forth, scraping between the chest and lower abdominal area. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to the Rezzipet YouTube channel for more amazing videos and Rezzipes for your horses, dogs, cats, and other furry friends. Helping animals tune out pain and tune into life.